morning. I'm here in front of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting. Before I start my speech, I like to finish it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, especially to Sir Falagurus. Before I start my speech, may you kiss the bride. Joke. Please listen to me, especially boys. I know my speech is entertainment. Entertainment is all about funny speeches, but no, my speech is very serious and very intense. Just focus on me. My topic for my speech is how to cook a sopas. Sopas is the fastest food. Sopas can warm the conflict.